we just got through pulling our wires to the house. Our pull rope, I just put a bunch of little loops in there and put all of our wires on those loops, taped them up, just kind of doubled it over, twisted it and taped them up. There's the other couple that I already took off. And it's going into the 1.25 inch tubing. Got 8 wires total. No problem, went right in. And I just rigged up all the spools of wire like that. And then right there's where they went down in there. So you got one person here feeding while the other person's on the other end pulling. And I used 3/16 rope. This is 80 foot long. It's 3/16 rope. Worked like a charm, no problem. Here's some pictures of the wiring going from the solar panels, the water well, and the small pump at the water tank going into the trench to the house. Here's what it looks like right now. And that toolbox right there is where our batteries and controller is, but we're gonna build a shed, a power shed right there. So that'll be gone once we get the shed built. All that wiring system will be inside the shed. But we got it all cleaned up now, so it's gonna be a lot easier to get everything hooked up when we get to it. There's the wellhead. Solar panels will be right over there. Goes back underground, so it goes from right here underground to the house over here. And then inside the garage here, there's the electrical panel. Got one of those circuits hooked up, the one on top's hooked up. Got everything going into that 30 amp breaker right there, and then to that. And then that's the panel right there for the water well. There's a controller for the well. It was outside on a post, so got that inside. So there's all the wires from the house that we haven't got into the panel yet, but we'll do a little bit at a time. Right now we're ready to, we can, with this cord right here, I can plug this into the generator to get enough power to run our water well and pump it into that 2,500 gallon tank out there. So got it pretty well cleaned up now this is how we're gonna run for a while before we go to the next step. But we got a lot of other things that we need to start doing, like sheetrock, some more sheetrock, more plumbing. Working on plumbing right now, and then we'll get back to all this. This is how I had it rigged up before we brought the power into the house. So I had to transport them batteries back and forth every day. That was a hassle, but not anymore. Now all of our outlets work in the living area. So can fire up that pellet stove at night. Got a little charging station over here where we charge up our battery packs and phones and all. What's up, Griff? Hey, little guy. So life's a lot easier now. If any of you guys are scared to get your own project going on, you know, and house or whatever you're building, working on, and you think you're in over your head. Well, a lot of us guys are in over our head. I don't know what the heck I'm doing most of the time, but the thing is you just hang in there. You just keep on doing the best you can, figure it out, and get it done, and then just move on to the next one. And you just keep on going like that, and the more you do it, the better you get. And before you know it, you'll start learning a little bit about a lot of different things, and you can get these things done. So the main thing, I think, is just be too stubborn to quit. See you guys later on the next video.